Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventures, and today we're going to make a quesadilla. Let's get started. First, you'll need a toaster, a chopstick, and a plate, a tortilla, and cheese, because we're making a cheese quesadilla. Open the toaster and put our quesadilla inside. Kind of long. So. Then our toaster, we'll turn it on and then we'll press start. So 1 minute and about 59 seconds. Looks like it's done toasting. Now, since it's hot, we'll get our chopstick. Get here and then put it on our plate. And then now we'll close our toaster. Now we'll get the cheese. Sprinkle some on the plate. Then you spread it out here and then only one side because you're going to fold it like that. If you don't have enough cheese, you can get more, but you don't want to get too much cheese. Then we'll fold it. And then we'll put inside the microwave for 15 seconds. Now we'll open our microwave, grab our plate, put it in, and wait for 15 seconds. If yours goes 30 like mine, I need to check it so it doesn't go past 15. Cheese is melted. Now let's take it out. You can cut your tortilla with a knife, your quesadilla with a knife, but I'm going to use a pizza cutter. For both a knife or a pizza cutter, you'll need parental supervision or you'll need them to cut it. Now you're done making your tortilla. Now you can eat it. It tastes really good. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventures. Bye!